issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wayne County, northeastern Union County, Indiana, Preble County, southeastern Darke County, northwestern Montgomery County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Richmond, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Eaton, Liberty, Arcanum, Camden, Lewisburg, New Paris, West Alexandria, Gladys, Salem, El Dorado, Verona, West Manchester, Pittsburgh, Spring Grove, Gordon, Boston, Ithaca, Caston, and Richmond Municipal Airport. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Indiana between mile markers 150 and 156. Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 19.